Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my new video, and I'm going to say you if you want to start your SMM panel. So this video is only for you, and if you have low budget. So first of all, you can see this theme, and here is the currency converter. Now I'm clicking on USDT, it convert automatically to USDT. I'm clicking on TRY, it convert automatically to TRY, and many more currencies are available. And if you want add more currency, so you can go to admin and then add in it. Okay, so if you want to start your SMM panel, I'm saying in starting this video is only for you. Why? If you want to start a SMM panel, not a own SMM panel, so start with our rental panel, and you can see here our rental panel is good with theme and features. And if you want admin demo, I will share you in my next video. And you can see here is Bharat Pay and many more Pakistani and American Express and Binance and Perfect Money, PayPal. Many more methods are available. Tickets, child panel, services, daily updates, and transfer funds, and API, mass order. Last one is master. Everything is working fine. You can see everything is working fine. Here is the announcement feature, and broadcast feature is also working. Without those two features, you can't know your users what the service is working and which one is not working. Okay, here is you can see average time, it perfectly working fine. If you want to attach average time, you can go add your provider name and click sync. Only one click sync, not for everyone, every services. Okay, only you want to click once and your average time will sync automatically, so don't worry about average time. And now you can paste here, and the theme is also good. If you want to start your SMM panel, only 3 to 400 rupees, you can contact me. I will make your SMM panel, but without domain. Okay, if you want domain, so your amount fees will goes up to 1500. Okay, if you have domain, only 3 400. Okay, so don't worry, come here.